Hey everyone, you know how sometimes you hit a word and it just stops you in your tracks? Well, what if I told you there's a secret code to figuring them out? Today, we're going to crack that code by digging into Greek and Latin roots. Let's jump right in. Yeah, it happens to all of us, right? You're cruising along, reading something, and bam, this huge word just stops you cold. But the funny thing is, the secret decoder you're looking for, it's been hiding in plain sight this whole time. And that secret decoder is what we call the word's root. It's like the heart of the word, the one part that carries all the essential meaning. So when you spot a root that you already know, it's like finding a major clue in a mystery. But just finding that clue, that's only the beginning. Seriously, the best readers out there, they don't just memorize a bunch of roots. No way. They have a strategy for connecting that root to what's happening in the rest of the sentence. And guess what? That's the exact strategy we're going to learn today. It's a super simple but really powerful four-step plan. First, you look for a root you recognize. Then, you think about what that root means. Step 3, you use the rest of the word in the sentence to check your work. And finally, and this is the most important part, you ask yourself, okay, does that meaning actually make sense here? It really all boils down to this one simple question. What is the clue and what does it prove? See, the root is your clue, and the sentence around it, that's your proof. Okay, enough talk. Let's actually put this strategy into action. I'm going to walk you through one step by step. Just watch how I do it. All right, so here's our sentence. The class used a portable table so they could move it from the sidewalk to the field. Our mission here is to figure out what that root, port, is all about. Okay, step 1. I'm looking for the clue. What's the context here? Well, the sentence says they could move it from the sidewalk to the field. Ah, there it is. That's the key piece of information. Okay, step 2. Now I gotta think about the root itself. I know that the root port means to carry. So now I've got two things: the clue from the sentence about moving and the meaning of the root. All right, steps 3 and 4. Let's put it all together. If port means to carry, then portable must mean something like able to be carried. Does that fit with moving a table? Heck yeah, it does. It fits perfectly. So the answer has to be B, to carry. See how that works? The root gave me the clue, but the sentence is what proved I was right. That's the whole game, right there. Awesome. So you've seen how I do it. Now let's try one together. We'll do this as a team. Okay, check out this sentence. The guide asked students to inspect the stream bank for signs of erosion. So, what do you think that root spect means? Okay, what's the first step? Let's find the clue in the sentence. What are the students actually doing? Go ahead, pause, and think about it for a second. All right, let's see. The clue here is they're checking the stream bank for signs. Now, let's think about that root spect. The root spect means to look. So if they're inspecting something, it means they're looking at it carefully. That fits perfectly. The answer's got to be C, to look. You've totally got this. You see the strategy, you see how it works. So now it's your turn. You be the decoder. I've got 2 for you to try on your own. Okay, here's the first one. The museum created a new biography display about a scientist from Kansas. What does the root bio help you understand? Remember the 4 steps. Go ahead and figure it out. And the answer is A, life. Let's check our work real quick. We know the root bio means life. And what's a biography? It's the story of a person's life. The root is the clue, the sentence is the proof. Perfect. All right, last one. You ready? The sentence is, a transport cart carried the seedlings from the greenhouse to the courtyard. What does that root port mean? Use the strategy one last time. Okay, did you get it? The answer is B, to carry. I mean, how much clearer can it get? The root port means to carry. And the sentence flat out says the cart carried the seedlings. That's about as direct as proof gets. Fantastic job. Seriously, you've nailed this process. So as we wrap things up, let's just make sure we all remember the one thing that matters most. If you only take one thing away from this, make it this. The root is the clue. The sentence is the proof. That's it. It's not about memorizing lists, it's about using those clues and then proving your theory with the context. Always. So now you've got the strategy, you've got the right way to think about it. Go on out there and start cracking some codes, because now you're the decoder.